All right, there it is. This is your chopper with everything inside. I've got one of them in here, and this is how it works. You see there's a little catch right there. Put your thing in like that, and then it snaps in, and you're ready to go. Pull it out, you gotta pop it out like that. So we've got a number of different ones. This one's like more like for like kind of French fries. Put it in. Just got to pop it in there like that. Pop it out. And so those are the two square-like ones. There's small squares and large squares. You see the difference on them? And then there's a grater, a fine grater, right? And then there's a slicer. Right there makes like slices of potatoes, like au gratin potatoes. And there's your larger grater, right? And again, they all fit in the same way. You gotta snap them in, just like that. And then all these fit right inside there like that. Bam. And then you've got this thing here, I think helps you clean it. And then this here, I'm not quite sure what you do with that. I guess that's, you can move the vegetables, like when you're slicing them, I think. I guess. Like when you're using this, you go like that. You would use it open, and like you take the carrot and you'd go like this with the carrot. You have the carrot here, and then you slide it like that. That's how that works. You gotta make sure that these are forward. Well, that's the only way it'll go in. So yeah. So this is how you slice the thing, just like that. That's what that's used for. All right, so let's go ahead and put it away. Maybe these have to go this way. And this one, maybe it'll go like that. Now let's see if it fits. Oh, there we go. I figured it out. All right, so now so look, when you put these in here, you gotta put 3 to the back, 2 to the front. This goes in the front, and this you just lie on there. And that way you can get this back on there, okay? So then you can push this down and you can store the stuff. All right, that's how you do it. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos. Push out!